Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft account sign-in error using a VPN on your PC. If this helps you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more fast tech tips. Let's jump right in. Open Google Chrome and search for Browser VPN. Click the top result, then add the extension to your browser by hitting install. Pick your preferred country from the list. Test with a stable connection to avoid glitches. Note: using a VPN might affect privacy. Use a trusted one. Try logging into your Microsoft account again. Fingers crossed the error's gone. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Microsoft account sign-in error. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.